Hello everyone, in this tutorial we are going to see how to create a database. So in this tutorial we are going to see two topics. First one is to create a database and second topic is the assertion of database, whether it has been created or not. So let's switch back to MySQL. So here we are just going to write a query, create, since we are going to create a database. So create database and then the name of database demo is the name of this database, and at the end of each query we will just write semicolon. Might be in next line we are just going to write another query, so we should always try to keep semicolon at end of each query. So let's execute it. So here we can see that query has been successfully executed, and here in message section we can see. Now the question arises whether this database has been created or not. So like in previous lecture, we have just seen that we can enlist all the database present on the system. So we are again going to use the same query, show databases, and we are going to execute this one. So if we are just trying to execute any of the individual query, then we can select the query and we can just click on the execute query button. So here we can see that database demo has been created. It means database has been successfully created and entry is available on our system. So this is all about the creation of database and its assertion just through show statement.